Hey there, beauty enthusiasts. Let's talk about smooth, radiant skin. Have you heard about sugaring? It's an ancient technique that uses a simple, natural paste to remove unwanted hair. Think of it like a kinder, gentler alternative to waxing. Sugar wax adheres to the hair, not your skin. This means less pain and irritation for you. Plus, it's super effective at exfoliating and leaving your skin feeling baby soft. But wait, there's more. Sugaring is also a fantastic choice for sensitive skin. It's all natural, free of harsh chemicals and fragrances. And because it's water-soluble, cleanup is a breeze. Ready to ditch the razor and embrace the sweetness of sugaring? Let's dive in. Sugaring isn't a one-size-fits-all affair. There are a couple of different methods, each with its own unique benefits. Let's explore, shall we? The strip method. This technique is perfect for beginners. It involves applying a thin layer of sugar wax and using a cloth strip to remove it. Think of it like traditional waxing, but with a gentler touch. The ball method. This method is all about getting hands-on. You'll use a ball of sugar wax, molding and pressing it onto your skin to remove hair. It might sound a bit intimidating, but it allows for more precision and control. No matter which method you choose, remember practice makes perfect. Ready to whip up a batch of your own sugar wax? It's a simple, natural, and effective way to remove unwanted hair. And you can make it right in your own kitchen. It's easier than you think. Plus, you'll know exactly what's going into your wax, ensuring it's free from any harsh chemicals or additives. Plus, it's a fun and budget-friendly way to pamper yourself. Gather your ingredients. 2 cups. Granulated sugar, 1/4 cup lemon juice, 1/4 cup water. These simple ingredients are likely already in your pantry, making this an accessible DIY project for anyone. Combine all ingredients in a saucepan over medium heat. Make sure to use a heavy-bottom pan to prevent the mixture from burning. Stir constantly until the sugar dissolves and the mixture starts to bubble. This is crucial to ensure the sugar doesn't stick to the bottom and burn. Reduce heat to low and continue to simmer, stirring occasionally. Patience is key here. You want the mixture to cook slowly to achieve the perfect consistency. The magic happens when the mixture turns a beautiful amber color. This is a sign that the sugar is caramelizing and reaching the right stage for waxing. This usually takes around 8 to 10 minutes. Keep an eye on the color and consistency to ensure it doesn't overcook. To test for readiness, carefully drop a small amount of the mixture into a glass of cold water. This step is essential to check if the wax has reached the right texture. If it forms a soft ball, you're good to go. This means the wax is pliable and will work effectively for hair removal. Pour the sugar wax into a heat-safe container and let it cool slightly before using. Make sure it's not too hot to avoid burns. Be careful not to overcook the sugar wax, as it can become too hard to use. If this happens, you might need to start over, so keep a close watch during the cooking process. Before you start sugaring, it's crucial to prepare your skin properly. This will ensure the best possible results and minimize any discomfort. Here's your pre-sugaring checklist. Exfoliate. Gently exfoliate your skin a day or two before sugaring. This removes dead skin cells and helps prevent ingrown hairs. Cleanse. Wash the area you'll be sugaring with a gentle cleanser and pat it dry. Dust with powder. Lightly dust the area with cornstarch or baby powder. This helps absorb moisture and allows the sugar wax to adhere better to the hair. By taking these simple steps, you'll create the perfect canvas for smooth, hair-free skin. Now that your skin is prepped and your sugar wax is ready, it's time for the main event. Proper preparation is key to achieving smooth, hair-free skin. Make sure your skin is clean and dry before you begin. Let's break down the process of using sugar wax, step by step. Sugar waxing is a natural and effective method for hair removal that has been used for centuries. First, apply a thin layer of sugar wax in the opposite direction of hair growth. This ensures that the wax adheres properly to the hair, making it easier to remove. Next, press a cloth strip over the wax, smoothing it down firmly. Make sure the cloth strip is pressed down well to ensure it grips the wax and hair effectively. Hold your skin taut and quickly pull off the strip in the direction of hair growth. This quick motion helps to minimize discomfort and ensures that the hair is removed from the root. Start by scooping a small amount of sugar wax with your fingertips. The wax should be pliable and easy to mold. Mold and press the wax onto your skin in the opposite direction of hair growth. This step is crucial for the wax to grip the hair effectively. Then, flick the wax off in the direction of hair growth, using a quick snapping motion. This technique helps to remove the hair efficiently and with minimal pain. Remember to work in small sections and go slowly at first. This allows you to get used to the technique and ensures that you don't miss any spots. You'll get the hang of it in no time. With practice, you'll become more confident and efficient in your waxing routine, leaving you with smooth, beautiful skin. While sugaring is generally safe and effective, it's essential to be aware of potential risks and side effects. Knowledge is power, right? Redness. It's normal to experience some redness after sugaring, but it should subside within a few hours. Irritation. If you have sensitive skin, you might experience mild irritation. Using a soothing aloe vera gel can help. Ingrown hairs. Sugaring can sometimes lead to ingrown hairs. Exfoliating regularly can help prevent this. Sunburn. Avoid sugaring sunburned skin, as it can further irritate and damage the area. Open wounds. If you have any open wounds or cuts, wait until they're completely healed before sugaring. If you have any concerns or experience any unusual reactions, it's always best to consult with a dermatologist. Congratulations on achieving silky smooth skin. Now let's talk about aftercare. Taking care of your skin post-sugaring is key to maintaining those amazing results. First, soothe and hydrate. Apply a gentle, fragrance-free moisturizer to soothe and hydrate your skin. Next, avoid tight clothing. Opt for loose-fitting clothing to prevent friction and irritation. Also, stay out of the sun. Protect your freshly sugared skin by avoiding sun exposure for at least 24 hours. Finally, exfoliate regularly. Gently exfoliate a few times a week to prevent ingrown hairs. By following these simple tips, you'll enjoy smooth, radiant skin for days to come. To start, you'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and 1/4 cup of water. These simple ingredients are all you need to create your own sugar wax at home. Combine these ingredients in a saucepan and heat over medium, stirring constantly. This ensures that the sugar dissolves evenly and the mixture doesn't burn. Once the mixture starts to bubble, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer until it turns a rich amber color. This should take about 8 to 10 minutes. The color change is crucial as it indicates the sugar is caramelizing properly. To test if your wax is ready, drop a small amount into a bowl of cold water. If it forms a soft ball, it's perfect. If not, let it simmer a bit longer and test again. Once ready, carefully pour the hot liquid into a heat-safe container and let it cool slightly. Be cautious as the mixture will be very hot. Prepare your skin by exfoliating 1 to 2 days before waxing. This helps remove dead skin cells and allows for a smoother waxing experience. On the day of waxing, cleanse and dry the area thoroughly. Clean skin ensures better adhesion of the wax. Dust the area with cornstarch or baby powder. This step absorbs any excess moisture and helps the wax stick to the hair rather than the skin. Using a spatula, apply the wax in the opposite direction of hair growth. This technique ensures that the wax grips the hair effectively. You can use a strip or the ball method to remove the hair. The strip method involves pressing a cloth strip onto the wax and pulling it off quickly, while the ball method involves rolling the wax into a ball and using it to pull the hair out. Work in small sections and go slowly. This helps minimize pain and ensures that you don't miss any spots. After waxing, moisturize with a gentle, fragrance-free lotion. This soothes the skin and helps prevent irritation. For the next 24 hours, avoid tight clothing and sun exposure. This helps prevent irritation and allows your skin to recover. Exfoliate regularly to prevent ingrown hairs. Regular exfoliation keeps your skin smooth and helps new hair grow out properly. And there you have it, your complete guide to DIY sugaring. With these steps, you can achieve salon-quality results at home. Embrace the sweetness of this natural method and enjoy the feeling of smooth, radiant skin. Happy waxing!